Welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple double-sided 3D flower pendant using silver clay at home. If you love silver clay jewelry, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or follow us on Instagram at Pure Silver Joy. And if you enjoy this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up to support our channel. Let's get started. First, take 10 grams of silver clay and knead it well to remove air bubbles and distribute the moisture evenly. Divide it into 7 equal parts, 5 for the petals and 2 for the center. Roll each piece into a strip about 6 centimeters long. Gently flatten it. Then fold both ends together and set aside to dry. Repeat this step 5 times to make 5 3D petals. Next, let's make the flower center. Roll one portion into a ball. Flatten it slightly, and use a crafting pen to poke a small hole. Add a little water to the hole. Place in a gemstone, then press flat with a pressing board. Let it dry completely before sanding and refining the edges. Now, take the final portion of silver clay, roll it into a ball, and flatten it to create the base. Attach the petals to the base using silver paste, then place the gemstone center on top. After it dries, fill in any gaps with silver clay and sand again to smooth the surface. Finally, use a syringe-type silver paste to draw a flower center pattern on the back of the pendant, on the surface of the base, as decoration. Make sure your piece is completely dry before firing. We're using a kiln, set at 800 degrees Celsius 1472 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 10 minutes. If you prefer to use a gas stove, check out our gemstone ring tutorial video, where we explain the gas firing method in detail. Just remember to carefully control the temperature to avoid overheating. After firing, use a steel brush to gently remove the white oxidation layer on the surface. Then polish the pendant with a polishing stick. Use the rough side for a matte finish, or the white side for a shiny gloss. Finally, apply a bit of silver cream and polish it with a silver cloth to bring out the shine. And that's it, your double-sided 3D flower pendant is complete. One side features a gemstone design, while the other side showcases a beautiful floral pattern. If you'd like to try making your own silver clay jewelry, visit our Pure Silver Joy Etsy shop, where you'll find beginner-friendly starter kits with all the essential tools. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorial. We'd also love to see your creations or hear what you'd like us to make next. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!